Hi students, today we are going to do differentiate between the following. Total there are 5 differentiate between. Let's do one by one. Let's see our first question, differentiate between the following. The first one is difference between the cell wall and the cell membrane or plasma membrane. What is the difference between cell wall and cell membrane or plasma membrane? The first difference is it is found only in plant cells, bacteria, fungi and algae. Whereas cell membrane or plasma membrane is found in both plant cells and animal cells. Next one is it is the outermost boundary of the cell. Cell wall is the outermost boundary of the cell. It is cell membrane is present in the inner lining of the cell. Now, cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell membrane is made up of complex carbohydrate and cellulose. Fourth point is cell wall is completely permeable, whereas cell membrane or plasma membrane is semi-permeable. Fifth point is it is thick and rigid structure with a fixed shape. Cell wall is a thick and rigid structure with a fixed shape, whereas cell membrane is a thin, delicate structure which is flexible to change the shape as needed. Our second question is difference between chromoplast and leucoplast. First point is they are plastids that contain several pigments. Chromoplasts are plastids that contain several pigments. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. Second point, they are found in fruits and flowers. Chromoplasts are found in fruits and flowers. Leucoplasts are found in roots and modified underground stems. Third point, chromoplasts have no role in storage of starch or oil, whereas leucoplasts have a role in storage of starch and oil. Chromoplasts attract animals to the plants. Why? Because it gives colors to the leaves, flowers, fruits and all. So, animals are attracted to the plant. Whereas leucoplasts do not attract the animals because they are colorless plastids, no attraction, and especially it is found in roots and modified underground stems. So they won't attract to the animals. Last point is chromoplasts have a major role in pollination and seed dispersal, whereas leucoplasts have no major role in pollination and seed dispersal. Why chromoplasts have a major role in pollination and seed dispersal? Because chromoplast gives colors to the flowers and fruits. So it is attracted, the plant is attracted or the flower is attracted to the insects, which is agent for pollination. And then seed dispersal also through animals and insects. Animals are also attracted to the plants because the leaves has color. And then leucoplasts have no major role in pollination and seed dispersal. Why? Because it is a colorless plastid. So it doesn't give any color to the leaves or flowers or fruits. So they are not attracted to animals or insects. So they have no major role in pollination and seed dispersal. These are the 5 points. Okay, this difference between chromoplast and leucoplast. Question is difference between plant cell and animal cell. This question's answer we have done in short answer questions. The second question is give difference between or give main difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. In that these differences are given. So let's go to the fourth question, that is difference between vacuole in plant cell and vacuole in animal cell. That is the question we are going to do now. The first difference in this, there are three differences I have written: vacuole in plant cell and vacuole in animal cell. There are three differences. The first difference is vacuoles are large and permanent in plant cell, whereas in animal cell either do not have vacuoles or they have small vacuoles. Second point is vacuoles present in the center in plant cell. Vacuoles are not located in the center in animal cell. Instead, nucleus is located in the center in animal cell. Third point, they help in maintaining water balance in plant cells. In animal cells, vacuoles help in storage of food materials and waste products. These are the three differences between vacuoles in plant cell and vacuole in animal cells. Our last question is, what is the difference between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell? There are 5 differences. First one is, in eukaryotic cell, cell wall is made up of cellulose. In prokaryotic cell wall is not made up of cellulose. Number 2, endoplasmic reticulum is present in eukaryotic cell, whereas endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cell. Third point, Golgi bodies are present in eukaryotic cell, but Golgi bodies are absent in prokaryotic cell. Fourth point, mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cell, but mitochondria is absent in prokaryotic cell. Fifth point, vacuole is present in plant cells. Vacuole is present in plant cells. I'm sorry. If at all present in animal cells, it is small in size in eukaryotic cell. But vacuole is absent in prokaryotic cell. These are the 5 differences between eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. So with this, differentiate between the following is over. There are total 5 questions. From this, the third question is already done in short answer question. So I have not done in differentiate between under this topic. So please learn that also. Okay. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.